Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Today I am doing a no makeup look. This look uses makeup in a simple and natural way. And for more makeup tips, check out my Instagram on Makeup Tip Monday. And for more videos, hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. To start this look, I applied a cream moisturizer to hydrate and plump up my skin. Minimal makeup is all about enhancing your natural features. To even out my skin tone, I applied a stick foundation. By using a stick, you can control how much and where you need coverage. I then blended it using a foundation brush for an airbrushed look. Next, I applied my favorite NARS concealer. Apply it just under the eyes and anywhere you may need extra coverage. For a natural flush, I applied YSL's blush on my cheekbones. I then added powder to hot spots that get greasy or are prone to shine. To create a neutral eye, I used shadow base and then a soft contour shade to give shape and definition. Forget liner, but do apply mascara to your liking. Brows are next. I applied L'Oreal's Infallible Brow to fill in my brows and then brush them upward and outward for shape. For lips, I applied Maybelline's Baby Lips, a light tinted lip balm in Pink Punch. And for the final touch, I applied Clinique's Cream Highlighter Stick for that lit from within look and blended it with my fingertips. And here is the final look, my no makeup look. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.